Brown rice gives you more B vitamins, minerals, and fiber, which helps keep your blood sugar steady. Most of the diabetes-fighting nutrients in brown rice are found at the bran and germ layers of the grain. I'm Barbara Ficara with a simple tip that can lower your risk of diabetes by 16%. Eat brown rice instead of white. Research shows that people who consume lots of white rice each week may increase their risk of diabetes. In one study, people who consumed 5 or more servings of white rice each week had a 17% higher risk of diabetes compared to people who ate less than a serving of white rice each month. In contrast, people who had brown rice at least twice a week fared better than those who rarely ate it. Brown rice gives you more B vitamins, minerals, and fiber, which helps keep your blood sugar steady. Most of the diabetes-fighting nutrients in brown rice are found at the bran and germ layers of the grain. These are 2 layers that are stripped from white rice during processing. White rice can also make your blood sugar and insulin levels spike. Most Americans consume about 20 pounds of rice a year. So swapping a daily serving of white rice for an equal amount of brown rice can result in big nutritional benefits.